In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a shape in Photopea. Start by opening your Photopea project. On the left-hand side of your screen, locate the Shape tool. You can click on it directly or right-click to choose a specific shape such as a rectangle, ellipse, or any other custom shape. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape. By default, Photopea usually creates the shape with a solid fill color. At the top of your screen, you will see options for fill and stroke. The fill controls the inside color of the shape, while the stroke controls the border. If you only want an outline, you can disable the fill and apply a stroke color instead. To change the fill or stroke color, click on the color box next to the respective option. A panel with preset colors will appear, allowing you to quickly choose a new color. As soon as you select one, the shape color will update instantly. If you want a more specific color, click on the color picker icon to open the full color picker, where you can select any custom shade you want and then click OK. You can repeat the same steps for any new shape you create. Simply select the shape, click on its fill or stroke color, and choose a different color if needed. Photopea allows each shape to have its own unique color, making it easy to design layouts and graphics. If you want to apply a gradient instead of a solid color, click on the fill or stroke color and switch to the gradient option. Select two different colors using the color picker to create a smooth transition between them. Once applied, the shape will display a gradient effect, and this is how you can change the color of a shape in Photopea.